We are a manufacturer of plant-based peptones. What we do is we really make the food that feeds the cells for biological vaccines and things of that nature. So these boilers have really impacted the daily operations. It's really about efficiency. The steam is on demand very quickly. One of the great benefits is that when we come and start up the plant at the beginning of the week and shut it down, at startup, we push a button. We have full steam, high pressure steam within a few minutes, and it's really very, very easy to use. From an operator standpoint and like a labor standpoint, it's incredibly efficient.
The Miura boilers have greatly aided us in day-to-day operation of our facility. We have a greatly varying load on our system, so we will go from very high demand to very low demand, and the Miuras handle those fluctuating loads very, very well.
The Miura modular boiler system is different because, number one, it's modular, which isn't a new design, but Miura's been perfecting it for almost 60 years. And every 80 years in the boiler industry, we see a technology shift. And we're at that point right now in the beginning of the 21st century. And Miura, the modular boiler system, meets and is the definition of that technology shift. And because of the Miura modular design, places like Nu-Tek Biosciences are going to gain efficiency, which means less money spent on making steam, and they can use that money improving their process or just improving their bottom line. The modular system allows Nu-Tek to expand. If you can see over behind me, there's a third stall that's ready for another Miura LX300 in the future if need be. And the simplicity of operation and maintenance. I know the operators here were amazed the first time we had to tear down the boilers, and we did a maintenance procedure in about 4 hours.
Per the Minnesota law, we have to check it every 2 hours per the size. So we take readings every 2 hours, and then once a day we spend about an hour going through the boiler chemicals, water chemistry and whatnot, and then basically just overall checking out the boiler and how it's operating.
With a conventional boiler, we would be firing at a lot higher rate, therefore consuming a lot more gas. So they help us be efficient, and they don't require the hands-on operation control that a conventional boiler would. It does it all automatically, allowing us to focus on other things as opposed to just be boiler operators.
We know that these systems are very efficient when it comes to energy consumption, energy use. Over the course of time, 10, 15, 20 years, we know those savings are going to add up to be very, very substantial. So that was one of the reasons why the company, actually chose these. The reliability is very key, efficiency, but again, the cost savings over time is going to be very instrumental to our success.
For more information about Miura boilers, visit miuraboiler.com.